How to get a YouTube Premium free trial. YouTube Premium offers a free trial for new users, allowing you to enjoy ad-free videos, offline downloads, and YouTube Music Premium. Here's a step-by-step guide to activate your free trial. Overview. The YouTube Premium free trial typically lasts 1 month, but extended trials of 2 to 3 months may be available during special promotions or for eligible devices. Step 1. Visit the YouTube Premium page. Open your browser and go to www.youtube.com/premium. Alternatively, access the Premium page through the YouTube app. Step 2. Click Try It Free. On the YouTube Premium page, locate the Try It Free button. Click it to begin the sign-up process. Step 3. Sign in or create a Google account. If you already have a Google account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have a Google account, click Create Account and follow the steps to set one up. Step 4. Select a plan. Choose your preferred plan for the free trial. Individual plan, for 1 user. Family plan, includes up to 6 family members. Student plan, discounted plan for verified students. Confirm your selection to proceed. Step 5. Enter payment information. Add your credit or debit card or PayPal details. You won't be charged during the trial, but charges will apply after the trial ends unless canceled. Step 6. Start enjoying YouTube Premium. Once activated, you can enjoy ad-free video streaming, offline downloads for videos, background playback on mobile, access to YouTube Music Premium. Step 7. Cancel before the trial ends, if needed. Go to www.youtube.com/purchases or open the YouTube app. Navigate to Manage Membership under the YouTube Premium section. Select Cancel Membership to avoid charges after the trial ends. By following these steps, you can enjoy YouTube Premium for free during the trial period and decide if it meets your entertainment needs.